y'all, it's Amber from Heartfully Stitched. I'll be sharing the gauge swatch tutorial for the Amori top to help you ensure your finished top fits beautifully and correctly. For this tutorial, you will need a 4.5mm crochet hook, any number 3 DK weight yarn, measuring tape, scissors, and your preferred blocking materials. For row 1, we will begin with the foundation half double crochet of 16. Once you have completed your foundation chains, turn your work. For row 2, we will chain 1 and half double crochet into each stitch. Turn your work. For row 3, we will chain 1 and single crochet into the first stitch. Third loop single crochet into each stitch across. Ending with a single crochet into the last stitch. Turn your work. For row 4, we will chain 4. This counts as the first treble crochet throughout. Treble crochet into each stitch across. Turn your work. For rows 5 through 6, we will chain 1 and half double crochet into each stitch across. Turn your work. For row 7, chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Third loop single crochet into each stitch across. Ending with a single crochet into the last stitch. turn your work. For row 8, chain 4. Treble crochet into each stitch across. Fasten off. After blocking your swatch, lay your swatch on a flat surface. Do not stretch or pull the fabric. Your completed swatch should measure 16 treble crochets in 8 rows for 4 inches. I hope you found this gauge swatch tutorial for the Amori top helpful. If you would like more gauge tutorials, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on newly released tutorials, and follow me on Instagram at Heartfully Stitched for new crochet pattern releases, crochet tester calls, and more.